Everybody, I'm sitting in Orchard. Orchard Road is also famous for shopping, you know. Lahat ng mga tourists dito, they come here to shop. Ngee Ann City. Ayan. And Takashimaya, Singapore. Ayan. Yan yung mga, ano dito, yung mga shopping malls dito sa Singapore. Behind me is the Paragon over there. Is the Paragon. Ang dami kaliwat kanan, left and right. So this is really a shopping mecca here in Singapore, but they're really expensive. You know? This is a really fine country, but really expensive. Ayan, a long way there. Ayan. Yan, diba? Bongga. Dito lang, it's my time off. So, gala-gala muna ako dito. By myself. Ayan. So, yun lang naman dito sa Singapore. It's a very fine country. And I want to eat like their ice cream, like the durian ice cream. But the thing is, I'm not feeling well. Meron akong ubo. I have cough. So, maybe tomorrow I'll show you. If I feel better tomorrow, I'll show you the durian ice cream. So, it's around $2, I think. Yan. Ayan, tingnan mo yung mga pickings. They're here. Some people just relax, sitting down, talking to their friends. Ayan. That side is the Lucky Plaza over there. Yan ang Lucky Plaza. Alam niyo ba sa Lucky Plaza ngayon, they have Jollibee na. Ayan, yan yung si Kuya. Ayan yung mga street food nila dito. They also have street food, pero social. Ayan yung Isetan. Kaliwat ko, left and right. Ayan yung Lucky Plaza. The famous Lucky Plaza is there. Ayan. So, talaga dito sa Orchard Road, kaliwat kanan. This is a long road. Left and right. Everything like shopping here, you know. Yan lang. I just miss Singapore. That's why I'm showing you around Orchard Road now. So yun, here's the Ion. I'm looking for another H&M store here. They said it's in the Ion. So yun, ayan lang. And it's Christmas here. That's the Tangs. Lucky Plaza, the Tangs on the other side over there. Yan, expensive din dyan sa Tangs. And medyo expensive. Actually, lahat dito expensive eh. Anywhere you go. Expensive dito. So yun lang, mas masaya na lang umikot-ikot. Tingin-tingin, window shopping, what will I do in my hotel room, right? And when I'm not feeling well, right, I have to go out of my room and see the city. So it's my time off, 2 days off until tomorrow. So yun lang. It's around, it's Christmas here, look at that. Look at the Christmas tree, it's so beautiful. Diba? Ayan, Prada. Laki-laki ng pinagbago dito. Diba? Laki na ng pinagbago. The orchard. Sana ganun din sa Philippines. You know? Kailangan. See you later, guys. Because anytime soon, I'm gonna cross the street. Ion. It's the Ion Mall they're talking about. Dito. Ang ganda, diba? This is the Ion. So I have to go inside now. This is the Ion Orchard. We'll go inside. But I'm not going to Louis Vuitton. Even though I have a bag now with Louis Vuitton now. But no. I'm wearing my Louis. My favorite traveling companion. Right? It's the Louis Vuitton. Ayan, let's go inside now in Ion Mall. Okay guys, that's all for now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.